Top 10 Computer Repair in Edmonton. 1. Gadget Geek, 5 671 reviews, 52 St. SW. 2. NixFix Service, phone and laptop repair, 5 465 reviews, 109, Ave NW. 3. Apple Mac Computer Repairs Edmonton, MacBook and iMac Repair Center, Data Recovery, Logic Board Repair, Screen Repairs, 5 336 reviews, Checknita Way SW. 4. J1 Tech Ltd, 5 227 reviews, 43 St. NW. 5. On-Site Computer, Cellphone Repair Edmonton, TO, 5 190 reviews, 76, Ave NW. 6. Youritguy, 5 114 reviews, Daniels Loop SW. 7. Akal IT Services, 582 reviews, 151, Avenue Northwest. 8. 1 Byte Technology, 4.9 801 reviews, Tudor Gln. 9. Device Fix Electronics Repair Shop, 4.9 548 reviews, 55 St. SW. 10. Tech4service Ltd, 4.9 481 reviews, 76 St. NW.